Hello, Assalamualaikum to all viewers, dear students. Today we have a new topic, exercise 7.4, question number 2. If secant theta is equal to 2, where theta lies in the fourth quadrant, find the values of the other trigonometric ratio. Look, so first of all, we are needed here xy plane. Quadrants is required xy plane. X O X dash is along X axis and Y dash is called Y axis. There are four quadrants: first quadrant, second quadrant, and third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. According to the question, where theta lies in the fourth quadrant on the other trigonometric ratio. Look here theta is lies in that quadrant, that one is the fourth quadrant, and here theta lies in the fourth quadrant already given. So it means that here this one is the radius, hypotenuse, and base x, and y is represented by, this is the line of y, we'll use y parallel to y axis, and x is the base and y is perpendicular, r is called hypotenuse or radius according to the definition of secant theta is equal to 2 as we it is the reciprocal of 1 over cos theta, and cos theta is base divided by hypotenuse, So 1 divided by base is x and hypotenuse is r. We can write secant theta is equal to 2 is equal to r divided by x. So it means that here if we are compared with this one, 2 divided by 1, r divided by x. So the comparison of this value to each other. So r is equal to 2 and x is equal to 1. Now we are required the y values, so we are using Pythagorean theorem. So using Pythagorean theorem, according to the definition of Pythagorean theorem, a square is equal to a square, c square is equal to a square plus b square. And here it means that here r square is the radius, r square is equal to base x square plus perpendicular square. According to here r is equal to 2 square is equal to 1 square plus y square. So we get here 2 square, we get 4 and 1 plus y square. Subtract to each other, have this one y square is equal to, we change this value to the right side, so the sign is also changed. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3, taking square root on both sides, so we will get here plus minus under root 3, y is equal to plus minus 3 under root. Now look here, we are needed other trigonometric ratio. It means that here we find sin theta, cos theta, sin theta is equal to, according to if we are using this triangle, sin theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse, perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. So y we have already done. Since theta is lies in the fourth quadrant, since theta lies in the fourth quadrant, so sin theta is negative in the fourth quadrant. So it means that here y we take minus 3 under root. So here Sine theta lies in the fourth quadrant, which is negative. So we get here the value here is -3, and r we get 2. Sine theta is equal to -3 under root by 2. Similarly, cos theta is positive in the fourth quadrant. So we take here base divided by hypotenuse. So x divided by r. X we have already done. 1 divided by 2. Similarly, tangent theta is equal to sine theta divided by cos theta. Sine theta we have 1 minus 3 under root divided by 2, and cos theta 1 divided by 2, both are cancelled. So tangent theta is equal to minus 3 under theta. We are finding cotangent theta. Cotangent theta is equal to cos theta divided by sine theta. We have already done. Cos theta is equal to 1 divided by 2, and sine theta is minus 3 under root divided by 2. 2 to r cancel, we get minus 1 divided by 3 under root. Similarly, we are finding secant theta is already given, and cosecant theta is equal to sine theta. 1 divided by sine theta we have done, minus 3 under root by 2, minus 3 under root divided by 2. So we change this value to the change minus 2 divided by 3 under root cosecant theta. So is equal to minus 2 under root divided by minus 2 divided by 3 under root. Thank you very much for watching. Once again, appreciate you. If not, please subscribe my channel.